Have you ever noticed how the people who flash designer brands, luxury cars, and diamond watches often end up broke in a few years, while the quiet person in modest clothes, driving a decade-old car, secretly owns real estate, businesses, and millions in investments? Here's the shocking truth. The path to extraordinary wealth isn't about showing it, it's about hiding it. There's an entire world of stealth wealth, a set of hidden rules the truly wealthy play by, rules that schools never teach, culture rarely celebrates, and social media tries to distract you from. In this video, I'm going to share 10 stealth wealth rules to become wealthy. Rules so subtle, so counterintuitive, yet so powerful, they can completely rewrite your financial destiny. And stay with me till the end, because rule number 10 will completely change the way you think about status, freedom, and money. Forever. If you are seeking financial freedom and ready to make it happen, hit subscribe. We're committed to delivering practical advice and inspiration to transform your life. Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Silence is profit, noise is expense. Let's begin with something uncomfortable. Why do so many people announce their promotions, post their purchases, or brag about their salaries online? Because human psychology craves validation. But here's the stealth reality. The loudest people in the room are rarely the wealthiest. The average millionaire in America drives a car that's at least 10 years old. That doesn't match the Instagram version of wealth, does it? True wealth hides in quiet living because loud living creates financial leaks, higher expenses, higher expectations, higher envy. Most people make the mistake of equating money with visibility. They believe if others don't see it, it doesn't exist. But stealth wealth flips this. The less people know, the safer, freer, and richer you become. Ask yourself this. Would you rather be admired today but broke tomorrow, or underestimated today and financially untouchable tomorrow? Loud money fades, but silent money compounds. And speaking of compounding, how do you make your money grow without drawing unnecessary attention? That brings us to the next stealth rule. Invest where status seekers don't look. Have you noticed how people chase the same shiny investments everyone's talking about? Crypto booms, trendy tech stocks, flashy NFTs. But stealth wealth thrives in areas overlooked by the masses. The top 1% of wealthy hold most of their money not in flashy stocks, but in boring cash flow generating assets like real estate partnerships, municipal bonds, and private equity. These investments don't trend on TikTok, but they quietly build dynasties. The mistake most people make is chasing visibility because it feels exciting. But excitement isn't wealth, stability is. Quiet assets not only protect you from losses, but often come with tax advantages. Think about municipal bonds. They don't sparkle, yet they provide tax-free income streams that the wealthy love precisely because they stay hidden. Stealth investors ask not what's popular, but what's durable. But here's where it gets fascinating. It's not just what they buy, but how they live. And that brings us to the next invisible rule. Master the low expectation lifestyle. Let me ask you this. Why do so many lottery winners and celebrities go broke within a decade? It's not because they lack money. It's because they lack stealth habits. When your lifestyle rises faster than your assets, wealth turns into debt disguised as luxury. Stealth wealth achievers deliberately set lower expectations around their lifestyle. They drive functional cars, live in modest but strategic neighborhoods, and avoid habits that turn them into cash machines for others. Most people make the mistake of tying their identity to consumption. They want to prove something. But the stealth wealthy? They build an identity around independence. One of the richest families in Germany, the Riemanns, quietly became multi-billionaires while living unassumingly, never flashing in the media until Forbes went digging. You don't grow wealthy by adding, "What else can I buy?" You grow wealthy by asking, "What else can I keep?" And here's a subtle psychological twist. Once you master the low expectation lifestyle, the world underestimates you. And being underestimated is one of the most powerful advantages the wealthy have. Why? That leads us to rule number 4, the power of being underestimated. Think about the billionaires you've never heard of. Quiet factory owners, local shipping magnates, software entrepreneurs who never make the news. They operate under the radar, and that's their edge. When you're underestimated, nobody competes with you aggressively, nobody envies you publicly, and nobody tries to drain you financially. Hidden wealth creates freedom of movement, while loud wealth paints a target on your back. If you're underestimated, you control the game. Others assume you're ordinary, while you quietly accumulate extraordinary resources. So here's the quiet question. Would you rather be admired for a season or underestimated for a lifetime of freedom? But once you master invisibility, another stealth rule unlocks: generosity that nobody sees. Let's go there. Rule number 5. Give without signaling. Here's something few talk about. Wealthy individuals often give enormous amounts, but quietly. Over 40% of large donations were given anonymously. Why? Because signaling generosity steals its power. When you broadcast charity, it becomes about status, not transformation. Stealth donors understand something profound. A gift that stays invisible carries more dignity for the receiver and more integrity for the giver. The mistake most people make is attaching their name to every giving act. But stealth wealth reframes giving as a personal strategy. Gifts become invisible investments in goodwill, karma, and even community resilience. And here's the twist. People who give quietly often gain the strongest networks. Opportunities, friendships, and trust flow to those who don't need recognition. Imagine this. What if your next investment wasn't in stocks or bonds, but in unseen generosity that comes back through doors money alone could never open? But speaking of hidden networks, let's move into something stealthier: the circle you surround yourself with. Invisible networks build visible empires. Here's something shocking. Most wealth doesn't come from public opportunities, but from private conversations. Deals never advertised online. Investments whispered among trusted circles. Mentorships not found in books, but in backroom coffees. One Harvard Business Review study showed that hidden networks are the single strongest predictor of career and financial success. Stealth wealth individuals aren't networking loudly at massive events. They're cultivating quiet, loyal, invisible circles that exchange insight, capital, and credibility. So ask yourself, is your network public and shallow, or invisible and deep? Because networks create opportunities money cannot buy. But these opportunities only sustain if one particular stealth tool is mastered: controlling your time. And that brings us to rule number 7. Time is the ultimate status symbol. Here's the irony. Luxury cars, watches, and clothes scream wealth, but the real rich flex is owning your time. Most people, even high earners, become time poor. They make 6 figures but have no freedom. Stealth wealth flips the script. Instead of trading more time for more income, they set structures so their money earns even while they sleep. They buy back time by outsourcing chores, investing in systems, and choosing businesses with leverage. So here's a real question. Would you rather own a Ferrari, but be forced to work 80 hours a week to maintain it, or drive a Honda and have the freedom to walk with your kids on a Tuesday afternoon? Freedom of time is the classiest stealth luxury there is. But here's the secret most overlook. Once you control time, you must master rule number 8. Play the long game nobody sees. Why are most people broke? Because they think in 5-day cycles, paycheck to paycheck. Stealth wealth plays in decades. Did you know Warren Buffett made over 85% of his fortune after the age of 65? That's not luck, that's compounding over the long game. But here's the stealth twist. He lived modestly enough to let compounding do its magic without lifestyle draining it. Most people chase quick wins because society conditions us to. Social media hacks your dopamine. But wealth doesn't reward the fast, it rewards the patient. Ask yourself, if I invested just $1,000 every month into the S&P 500, which historically returns about 9% annually, what happens in 30 years? The answer, over $1.7 million. Quiet, stealthy, predictable. Number 9. Privacy is your greatest asset. Did you know that most identity theft cases spike in individuals who overshare income, lifestyle details, or even vacations on social media? True wealth isn't public, it's private. Stealth wealthy individuals protect not just their money, but their information. Privacy equals security, and security equals uninterrupted compounding. The question is, are you showcasing your future predators the blueprint of your life, or are you quietly untouchable behind layers of privacy? And finally, we land at the stealth wealth rule that redefines everything. It's not about money, assets, or lifestyle. It's about something much deeper. Rule number 10. Redefine status as freedom, not image. At the end of the day, what's the real point of wealth? Is it applause, likes, envy? Or is it the quiet confidence of waking up and realizing you're free? Here's the stealth truth. Status based on image traps you in an endless cycle. Status based on freedom liberates you forever. The truly wealthy don't climb the ladder to impress strangers. They escape the ladder to live life on their own terms. They don't care if the world calls them low profile, because their inner world is rich with peace, health, time, and family. So here's the question that will echo long after this video. Do you want people to think you're wealthy, or do you want to be wealthy? If you live by these, you won't just make money, you'll transform your relationship with it. You won't chase attention. Attention will become irrelevant. You won't look rich, you'll live rich. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. If you want to know why the rich keep getting richer while the middle class struggles, then watch this video. I'll see you there.